In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install PHP 8.4. You go to www.php.net. You see that? Click on the download. You can see the download and installation instruction. Scroll down. You can see all that. Now click on the Windows download. Here we have the Windows download. You can see the source code, the test package. Now you can see that non-thread save. We're not downloading that. Scroll down. Download the thread save. ESX64. Download that. Once you're done downloading that, I've downloaded mine already, so I'm just gonna cancel and go to my download folder. You can see mine. We're going to extract this PHP to the C folder as to our local disk. Let's follow the procedures. Now extract. Wait for it to extract the downloaded zip file to local disk C. It's complete. You can see our extracted file. Oh, still. Okay, it's complete now. You can see our file. Now let's go to the CMD. You open your CMD. I'll type in PHP -v. You can see PHP is not recognized. So now we'll go to the, click on Start, type in environment. Now open the file environment. And in this environment, you go to the path, click on Edit Path. Now in the Edit path, you click on New. We'll go copy the folder path, the file path of the PHP, which is C:/PHP. Now go to our edit environment variable. We'll click New because we're adding new. Now put that PHP there. Now click OK and OK. That's it. So now we'll close this CMD and open another CMD. Don't forget the previous one shows it wasn't recognized. Now let's open that CMD command prompt and type in the same code, PHP -v.